Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. Curtains make such a difference in a house, but you can't have curtains without a curtain rod. So our previous ones needed replaced, so I just installed these new ones, and I am super happy with them. So they are very easy to install. It comes with the screws and the drywall anchors that you need. You just need a drill to be able to install them. Our windows are 2 windows together. So we needed an extra long curtain rod, and this one is plenty long for 2 windows. Our previous curtain rods, the brackets would bend and the bar would pull apart every time my sons would try and open and close the curtains. Super annoying. So these ones, I really appreciate how heavy duty the metal is on the 3 brackets that hang it up. They will not bend. I have no doubt that they are very secure. They also have this little screw in the back on each bracket that you screw in, and it holds the rod in place, so you don't have to worry about the rod moving back and forth or wiggling. On the end of either side of the rod is this really pretty ball end with a really pretty pattern designed in it. And what I really like about these ball ends is they screw into the end of the rod. So I've had ones in the past that just pop on, which means they also can pop off. I also really like that this comes as a set of 2. So our living room and dining room is one long room, and there's a window on either side. So instead of having to buy 2 sets, I could buy 1 set, and I knew they would match perfectly. So if you need a way to hang your curtains, this curtain rod has met all my needs. I'm really happy with it. They look nice and they're very functional. So highly recommended by me, but that's just my point of view.